I'm Nadine Reichel. I'm working for Honda and currently working in the project and systems department. Prior to that, I worked in the finance department. I used to use fire systems before, and when we moved to Cadency, I saw a lot of benefits as a user. I could post journals with templates. I could easily copy, easily reverse prior journals, and even searching for journals in Cadency was easy to find the relevant backup. It saved time, yes. Especially when you had to post journals with hundreds of lines. That was a huge improvement for me as a user. Yeah, I even prepared reconciliations myself in the past, but while I moved on as a Cadency admin, I could support the team with preparing the reconciliation. We reviewed the accounts assignment frequency, and we are still reviewing and improving this process. I could see the benefits of using Cadency reconciliations because in the past we had Excel templates only and we had manual processes, and that was a huge improvement for us to go to an automated process. So we are using Cadency journals, Cadency reconciliation, and we also use the close task module from Cadency, and the combination of all three is really great. We can close tasks immediately when posting a journal. We have the backup in Cadency when we prepare reconciliations, so that's a huge benefit for us to always have the right backup. But it also requires a lot of work beforehand to prepare and define. So we just upgraded Cadency to the latest version, and as an admin I can already tell that the relationship with the team was really good. So we upgraded and I did it the first time, so I had a lot of questions, but I got huge support from the team. They answered all my questions almost immediately. Tickets we raised through the ticket system were also picked up really fast and were answered professionally. So I have a good relationship with the team and the support was amazing.